And this is the reality of abandonment. There are two kitties right here who were very obviously indoor kitties, and they don't know where they're going to get their next meal. And these two kitties were indoor kitties and then abandoned to live outside. And you can tell by their behavior that they are craving for food and they don't know how to hunt for food. So when they're given food, they scarf it down. And we have two kitties here who are purring and are friendly and just want more food. And they're not used to hunting for food, yet they were trapped outside, and now we have to put them back outside because there's nowhere else for them to go. Rescues are full, shelters are full, there are no fosters. We're in a rural area. So these two babies who are purring and just want more food because they're used to having an indoor home where food is given to them on a regular basis, and they don't understand hunting. They don't understand hunting. They were given their meals and then they were abandoned, and now they have to figure out life on the streets. And this one's purring and wants lovin's. And I don't know what to do. So if you have an idea, let me know. Because the last thing I want to do is put them back out on the streets. They were a pet. They were a family member. And they were abandoned and forced to find food on their own. But at least they're fixed. No more babies. But if you have an idea, or if you want to foster, if you want to give them a home, let me know.